Quadriceps femoris is attached to the superior surface. The attachment extends distally on the anterior surface. The attachment for rectus femoris is anterior, inferior to that of vastus intermedius. Rough markings can be traced in continuity around the periphery of the bone from the anterior superior surface to the deep surface of the apex. Those at the lateral and medial borders represents the attachment of vastus lateralis and vastus medialis, and those at the apex represents the attachment of patellar ligament. Medial patellar retinaculum inserts to the medial border and lateral patellar retinaculum to the lateral border. Now you can remember these muscles by counting 1, 2, 3. Remember, there is only one muscle attachment at the apex, that is the patellar ligament. 2 muscle attachments on the medial border, vastus medialis and medial patellar retinaculum. 2 on the lateral border, vastus lateralis and lateral patellar retinaculum. And 3 on the superior border or the base, quadriceps femoris, vastus intermedius and rectus femoris. You can also remember these muscles by the name of the border of patella, like vastus medialis and medial patellar retinaculum attached to the medial border and vastus lateralis and lateral patellar retinaculum attached to the lateral border. So that was all about the small bone patella. If you want to learn about other bones of knee joint, that is tibia and femur, follow the links mentioned in the description.